It's time to create, it's time to create. It's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we are going to make doodle flowers. Have fun doodling colorful flowers over watercolor dots. Create an artwork filled with flowers, or do this to create flower stickers. This activity was inspired by Art is Basic. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need to create doodle flowers include sturdy paper, such as watercolor paper, cardstock, poster board, or sturdy art paper. You will also need watercolor paint and crayons. And you can use oil pastels, colored pencils, markers, or chalk markers as well. Let's create. To begin, we'll cover our paper with watercolor dots of different colors. Then, after the paint dries, use crayons or colored pencils to turn the dots into flowers by drawing petals, center designs, or interesting patterns. Finally, if desired, add additional watercolor paint to the petals. Another variation you might like to try is to create your own stickers. Do this activity on sticker paper or large address labels. Then cut out each flower as individual stickers. Peel off the backing paper when ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.